to the beach. Mia was spending some time at the seaside together with Mom, Dad, Leo, and Rabbit. Fairy was there too, of course. Now Fairy was sitting on the beach and looking out to the sea, a beautiful ship with white sails was cruising the fairy side. Yeah, next page. What's the matter with you? Mia asked. Oh, how much I'd love to go sailing, but all alone on my own. No, I'm too scared. I might even capsize, and that shouldn't happen to fairies. Mia said, but we haven't got a boat fairy side again. Next page. I can't open it. Oh, there you go. How could I help Fairy? Mia thought. Always helps me, and anyway, we always help each other. We went to see Mom and got a tam of cream on the wood of her nose. Then Mia returned to the fairy and suddenly had an idea. What's the idea? I know, she said, if you cannot go sailing all alone on a high seas, then we'll make the sea come to you and we'll certainly find a boat for you. Can you arrange that for me? The fairy was baffled. Next page. Mia explained her plan and Fairy was thrilled. They started working. First, they dug a hole in the sand, then a canal from the hole to the sea. Once they finished, the seawater came washing through the
Canoe.
and filled their hole. Morning is really nice lake. Very decorates the borders with some shells, starfish, pretty ribbons. Now they have to find the boat for us. Mia said they were searching and family fairy found a piece of wood which looked suitable. Mia put it into the water, then Fairy touched her wand and the very boat moment was a beautiful sailing boat was cruising on the lake. Together they went on board, so that's much fun, Fairy declaimed. When they were dashing across the waves, Mia made sure that she did not fall into the water. Suddenly, a seahorse appeared in their lake, and some very colorful fish swam behind the boat. Started pushing Fairy clapped her hands happily. Mia laughed. It was really looked very funny. At the same time, she watched out that the fish did not pull the boat to the canal out into the high seas. Finally, Fairy and Mia were taken to the fish. The fish swam back to the sea, and Mia and Fairy waved goodbye to them for a long time. The end.
Wow! Did you like it? Wow!